Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about using transformations in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Transformations are simply a quick way to change text to, as the name suggests, something else. First highlight the text you want to change, and then go to the Edit menu and select Transformations. As you can see, there are quite a few options, but probably the most useful are the first three, where you can make the text upper or lowercase, and you can capitalize it. Unfortunately, the latter does capitalize every single word, so it's not going to help you with which words should and should not be capitalized in a title, so should be used with care. Why are these font formatting options stuck here, rather than under Format and Font? Because that's where this kind of thing is in, that other popular writing software. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.